Good morning, learners. I found out that I really suck at cleaning because I have a messy room. I've got a pretty messy look. Ooh, I'm a messy boy. And I've got a messy home. So I've decided, hey, how do I learn to fight the clutter, fight the urges not to do anything because I think it's affecting my life in a negative way, which is not good. So I've decided to try and break the job down, okay? Because cleaning the house seems like an impossible effort, so I give up and I avoid it. Alright, so I get a. What happens is I see the mess, I get a bit overwhelmed from it, and then I just avoid it. And then I make more mess, I see it, I get overwhelmed, and then I avoid it, and it just goes. So it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. So let's try and break the cycle, okay? Instead of seeing it as such a big job, let's try and break it down. Alright, so I've got my whiteboard and I'm going to break it down to three main things. When I look around my room, I see quite a lot of clothes. I see a lot of rubbish. And I see a lot of dishes. Now, I think there's another one, and it could just be misc. Now, clothes, we've got clean, and we've got dirty. Because I hate folding clothes. I hate dealing with clothes. I hate, washing clothes. I hate hanging them out. Oh, I just hate them. You know, if we could invent clothes that didn't smell or get dirty, I'd invest in that. But, okay, so that's my little rant on clothes. So, we've got clothes, rubbish, dishes, and misc. Alright, so, hopefully now that I've broken them down, I can isolate them and deal with them. Let's see how I go. Alright, I'm back, okay? And what I found out from that little experience is clothes. Doesn't matter if they're clean or dirty, I don't want to deal with them, okay? So, what I'm gonna do is what I've done is I've got all of the clothes and I've put them in the wash because I don't want to deal with them. Okay? Because I thought it'd be too big of a task to go through them and find out which was clean and dirty. So I said, hey, stuff it. Let's wash them all and make sure they're all clean. You know? Done. The area's looking good. Okay? Now, there's rubbish. There's quite a lot of rubbish around my room. Okay? And it's quite annoying to look at. It's just clutter. So, let's go get a rubbish bin and clean it up.
A few moments later.
And dishes. I hate dishes in the room. Oh, because when you think of dishes, you think of cleaning them up. So let's break that down into move to kitchen and wash. Okay, two different ones because I don't want to do both at the same time. And misc, I don't even know. I feel overwhelmed thinking about it all. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's do our best and see what happens. Alright, I'm back. Okay, and this is what I've learned. Alright? Thinking of cleaning the house is a really big task. And I avoid it because I don't want to do that. Yuck. But I know it's affecting my life negatively. So I've decided to break things down. Now, in my room, I've broken them down into these three: clothes, rubbish, and dishes. Well, 4, and miscellaneous. But I've got to try and find different strategies for the rest of the house. So, I've really enjoyed learning this. Breaking it down into smaller things does help, but it still is hard. So I need to find out ways to either make them even smaller or find a different strategy. Alright. Well, that's what I learned today. Bye-bye. It's inevitable. Every time I clean my room, I find this headband laying on the ground somewhere, and I always put it on. Yeah. There's so much rubbish in my room that I did not use. I don't even think this suits me. What's that item that you find every single time you clean your room, and you just have to play around with it? This is why it takes me so long to clean my room. Oh my goodness, why is this so hard?